Why don't you just meet me in the
middle?
Oh, hey, I'm losing my mind
in the middle.
Let's test out LaStallion's music taste.
Let's go.
Do you recognize any of these artists?
Yes, si Z2 and then this some Canadian guy. Di ko maalala yung name niya eh. Basta I knew him from Pokemon.
Since you know Zed, we're gonna play Guess the Song. Are you ready?
Yeah, sige lang.
Here's the first song. Are you gonna stay?
The night.
Alam. Doesn't mean we're bound
For life.
okay. Why you gonna stay? Since fan ka ng Zed, he's gonna be back in Manila. And Friends concert this May 13. Here's the poster.
See you there.
Do you recognize any of these artists?
Yes, actually, this guy. I think that's Elenio.
Are you a fan of his music or do you like listen to his music?
I'm familiar with his music.
Guess the song. Before I love you,
Na na na.
I'm gonna leave you.
Na na na.
Oh.
By the way, guys, it's Elenio's first debut here in the Philippines. If you guys want to check him out, see you there too. Okay, do you recognize any artists in this photo?
Oh, this is Zed, diba?
Yeah.
Are you gonna stay?
Okay. I was actually gonna test it, but you already know. Are you a fan ba or you just listen to his music?
I listen to his music, but I'm not a big fan.
Since alam mo naman yung Are You Gonna Stay tonight, alright, let's test you again.
Kakanta siya? Oh. Ayusin na.
Middle. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind.
Just a little.
If you wanna check Zed's return, you know, Kira and Friends, guys.
See you
Check
there.
them out. Do you recognize all artists in this photo?
Yeah, I recognize one. This looks exactly. It's like someone eh. But this is Baby No Money. And this guy, no clue.
He's a...
Kamukha ko nga eh.
Comment down below kung kamukha sila.
Actually, yung ano, medyo.
Do you just know him or are you an actual fan? Baby No Money.
Know him lang.
I'm about to test you out. I'm gonna finish what I'm gonna start, okay? La.
When about okay.
Do you recognize any artist in this photo?
Zed.
Oh.
Also like Baby No Money, right?
Since they're a fan, you know, let's test them out. Middle. Why don't you just meet me in the
Middle.
Hey, I'm losing my mind
In the middle.
for this guy, Baby No Money. Na. Alright, that's it lang naman, guys. Thank you so much. Actually, if you guys want to check him out, he's gonna be at End Friends this May 30, and yeah. Recognize any artist in this photo?
I think it was Zed.
Zed, okay.
Yeah.
Are you an actual fan or do you just listen to his music?
I just listen to some of his music and pretty sure he has a Valorant collab or something.
Oh,
Zed?
yeah. The Zed skins.
Yeah.
Middle. Why don't you just meet me in the
Middle.
I'm losing my mind.
Just a little.
Okay, he knows. Alright, my man is an